Check out our newest feature release, detailed filtering, right inside of your opportunities. If you're curious what this feature is all about, let me explain that to you. Detailed filtering inside of opportunities is all about enhancing your lead management by capturing specific details relevant to your business, such as roof type, house age, or any custom fields. The best part about this is that you can now filter directly inside of your opportunities area. Why it matters and how it's going to help you in your business. First of all, custom fields really empower you to gather specific information crucial to your business. This new feature allows you to easily filter opportunities right inside the opportunities area of your CRM based on those custom fields. It's also going to allow you to refine your marketing target strategy by utilizing custom fields to categorize and prioritize your leads. So let's check out where we see this new filtering option. First, I'd like you to click on Opportunities in the left-hand navigation. Now, once that opens up, you want to make sure that you're still under the Opportunities tab on the upper navigation. From there, you're going to see a new icon. You can see it here highlighted in my screenshot. This is the new filter option that's available to you, so go ahead and click on that. When that filter option opens up, you'll see very similar filter options that you have in other filtering features. But now this is 100% available within your opportunities. So this is the first level of that search filter. And as you know, with our CRM, it just opens up and gets even deeper. Now you can combine anything to create your perfect filter of these opportunities. Use the and or to create the perfect search. Now, if you'd like to edit or access any of these custom fields, you can now do so directly inside of your opportunities. Opportunities is where you want to be in the left-hand menu. Again, make sure that you are in the opportunities area within the top navigation and go ahead and click on any opportunity card. Now you're going to see this new Add and Manage fields within your opportunity details. Go ahead and click that and you will be taken to your opportunities area. Another way to access these custom fields is to go to Settings within your left-hand navigation menu, and then go ahead and click on Custom Fields. You will access all of your custom fields from that area, and you can edit those to your heart's delight. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help.